Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about Introduction to Jinja2 templates. Jinja2 is a templating engine in Python used in web development, notably within the Flask framework. It enables the embedding of variables, control structures, and filters seamlessly into HTML templates. For instance, a simple example would involve displaying user information on a web page dynamically. Variables in Jinja2 help in achieving this by passing user data from the backend to the front end for display. Control structures aid in conditions or loops within the template, enhancing its dynamism. Filters refine the displayed data, like formatting dates or numbers appropriately for better user experience. Jinja2's user-friendly syntax and functionality make it a powerful tool for developing dynamic web applications effectively. Jinja2 supports template inheritance to create a base template extended by child templates, thus avoiding code redundancy and ensuring uniform layout. By defining common structures in the base template like header, footer, and navigation bar, child templates can extend these and input specific content. For instance, a website's base.html may establish the overall design components, enabling specific content filling in child templates for varied pages. Jinja2 is a template engine that facilitates passing variables from Python code to templates using double curly braces. By doing so, data can be dynamically integrated into templates. Furthermore, Jinja2 allows the implementation of control structures like if statements and loops, enhancing template customization. For example, in a Flask application, a route can pass a dictionary, such as user equals name, John, age, 30, to a template using render template. In the corresponding HTML template, variables from the dictionary can be displayed using user.name and user.age. This approach streamlines template design and rendering, fostering the creation of dynamic web content. In Jinja2, filters are tools used to modify the output of variables. These filters can be applied by using the pipe symbol, followed by the filter name. Jinja2 comes with a variety of built-in filters, such as upper, which converts text to uppercase. For instance, in a Jinja2 template, hello upper would output hello, as the upper filter converts the text hello to uppercase. Furthermore, Jinja2 allows the creation of custom filters and functions, enabling users to tailor their templates to specific needs. This flexibility is particularly useful when working with dynamic content that requires specific formatting or manipulation. Overall, understanding how to use filters effectively in Jinja2 can greatly enhance the customization and functionality of your templates, making them more powerful and efficient. Jinja2 templates are vital in Flask web development as they facilitate dynamic and reusable HTML content creation. Mastery of Jinja2 enables the development of responsive web pages that can interact with databases. By utilizing Jinja2 templates effectively, developers can construct interactive web applications with Flask. An example scenario could involve creating a user registration form where input is processed dynamically using Jinja2 to generate personalized responses based on the user's information. Think of Jinja2 templates as a blueprint for building a house. Just like how a blueprint provides a structure for a house, Jinja2 templates provide a structure for a web page. You can fill in the details of the house blueprint to customize it to your liking, similar to how you can use Jinja2 templates to customize a web page with dynamic content. By following the blueprint and adding in specific elements, you can create a unique and functional house, just like how you can create a personalized and dynamic web page using Jinja2 templates. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. Jinja2 templates play a crucial role in Flask applications by enabling the rendering of dynamic content within HTML pages. Let's dive into a technical overview of how Jinja2 templates are utilized in a simple Flask application that showcases a list of programming languages. The initial step involves installing Flask and its inherent support for Jinja2 via the following terminal command. bash pip install Flask. After installing the necessary dependencies, a new Python script named app.py is created to define the Flask application. The script leverages Flask's render template function to render an HTML file with dynamic content. Here's a snippet of the app.py script. Python from Flask, import Flask render template app equals Flask app.route / def home, programming languages, Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, Ruby, return render template index.html, languages, programming languages, if core name equals core main, app.run debugs true. The next step involves creating an index.html file inside a templates folder placed within the project directory. This HTML file includes Jinja2 syntax for iterating over the provided programming languages list and dynamically rendering them on the web page. HTML doc.h charset UTF-8, meta HTTP compatible content viewport, content width device width, initial scale 1 point programming languages, list of programming languages, sent for language in languages sent, language, sent n%. Upon running the Flask application, the /route triggers the rendering of the index.html template, passing the programming languages list to it. This results in the generation of a dynamically populated list of programming languages on the web page through the Jinja2 for loop. The real-world application of this scenario could be seen in a web application where user-generated data needs to be displayed dynamically. For instance, an online coding platform could use Jinja2 templates in combination with Flask to render user-submitted code snippets or programming languages in a visually appealing manner. One industrial application of Jinja2 templates usage can be seen in e-commerce platforms where product listings are dynamically generated based on user preferences or search queries. For example, when a user visits an online shopping website and searches for a particular category of products, the backend can use Jinja2 templates to dynamically render the search results page with relevant product information, such as names, prices, images, and descriptions. The template can loop through the list of products retrieved from the database and display them in a structured format, providing a seamless and personalized shopping experience for the user. Another real-world example can be found in email marketing campaigns, where personalized emails are sent to subscribers based on their interests, behavior, or demographics. Jinja2 templates can be used to customize the content of each email by inserting dynamic variables like the recipient's name, recommended products, upcoming events, or exclusive offers. This level of personalization enhances user engagement and increases the likelihood of conversion by delivering tailored content to the audience. In conclusion, the versatility and efficiency of Jinja2 templates make them a valuable tool for generating dynamic content in various industrial applications, enabling developers to create interactive and personalized user experiences across different platforms. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.